In this video, I'm showing you how to change your Gmail password. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. Please do watch this video right until the end so you know the full steps of changing your Gmail and Google account password. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. I'm on my phone, but this guide is going to work on any device as long as you've got access to Gmail. So the first thing you want to do is go and of course open up the Gmail app, or you can go and open up the Gmail website if you're on desktop as well. So I'm using a phone, so I'm going to use the Gmail app. So let's go and open it up just like so, and here is all my emails. I may have to blur them, but it should be alright. The next thing you want to do is go to the top right where you've got either a letter or your profile picture and simply your logo. So go and click there, and then we've got this option here saying manage your Google account. Simply go and click manage your Google account. And then it's going to go and bring this up here. So these are all of our settings and there's a lot here. So to go and find the password section, all you want to do is simply scroll across, and you need to go and locate security, which is pretty near the end. So you may have to scroll across quite a lot. So go and click security, and then it's going to take us here. And then all you need to do is go and look for signing into Google, and it's going to say password. So go and click here, and it's going to say when you last changed it as well. So I'm clicked here, and then it's going to take you here, and we're going to have to go and log in. So I'm going to go and enter my existing password, and then the next step is going to be showing us how to go and change it. So essentially just entering our new password. So it'll take a minute to load, and we may have to go and do verification as well. But all you want to do is quickly do this verification, and once you have done that, then you can go and enter your new password, and then you can go and save it, and that will be your new password. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.